Welcome back to week 3. Here we go on the C-clip. This is the finished product. The extrusion of this course is very simple. So we'll be mainly talking about the sketch. So, oops. Well, yeah. All right. So we have a sketch down here. You can see it on page 174. And initially, we're just going to um, draw it out. So I'm going to go to sketch. We're going to click on the front plane, and I'm going to kind of start near the top right corner and draw this thing out. So we want to kind of get it, as close as possible, but I mean, not even close, but so that it kind of resembles the shape as closely as possible, proportionally anyway, and horizontal lines are in the right place. See how that's snapping to that point over on the left? That may, in fact, it's not true. So we want to try to avoid those kind of things. If we see it happening, we try to avoid it. There's another one. We'll get those angles figured out at some point in time. Now those 2 points do line up, so we're okay with that. And that point lines up. Okay, so, and we have our gray regions. That's a good sign. Now, obviously, we need to refine this quite a bit, but it's in pretty good shape. And what I like to do first is put the big dimensions on first. So like it's 1.5 from left to right. So let's dimension that first. Left to right, or right to left, I guess. See, this thing's more than twice as big as it should be. So that's why, because when I go 1.5, it proportionally shrinks the whole thing. And then from top to bottom is 1.25. 1.25 is 1.25. Okay. Now, before I mention anything else, this angle out here is not even close to 45. I'm going to kind of get it close. But this is when things can go wrong, is when things aren't very close. This one probably should go up a tad. All right, so that's good enough. So let's do our angles first. So we're going to dimension. We know that it says right here is 45 degrees. So we're going to pick that line, and drag it up here. And see, it's close, but not exactly. It's not 445. 45 degrees. And the one at the bottom is also 45 degrees. That one, oh man, I was like a 1/1,000,000th off there. 45. Now, the cool thing is all these other angles are 45 degrees also. So that means they have to be parallel to one or the other of these. So I'm going to pull down my parallel. Where's parallel? Right there. Therefore, we know this one is parallel to that. And it's also parallel to this one down here. And then this one is parallel to this. This one is parallel to that. All right, so some of the distances got shifted, but the angles are the same. So that's good. The overall, now it's basically a matter of measuring the rest of this. So you're going to put, the dimensions. So I'm going to stop this and then we'll start the video again later.